Triple candlestick setups are patterns that consist of 3 consecutive candlesticks. The morning and evening stars are candlestick patterns that are typically found at the end of a downtrend and uptrend respectively. To identify a morning or evening star, look for these characteristics. First candlestick should reflect the nature of the current market sentiment, bullish in an uptrend, bearish in a downtrend. Second candlestick should have a small body, and the color of the candlestick does not matter. This tends to reflect a high level of indecision in the market amongst buyers and sellers. Third candlestick must close beyond the midpoint of the first candle and is typically of the opposite type compared to the first candlestick. This acts as a confirmation that a reversal in price is going to occur. The morning star pattern is a bullish reversal pattern that occurs at the end of a downtrend. This should signal to you that there's an upcoming change in direction of the price movement upwards. For the morning star pattern, the first candle should be bearish, reflecting the sentiment in a downtrend. The second candle should have a small body, or a straight line for a body, which is also known as a doji. Recall that dojis are candlesticks with the same open and close price. This indicates indecision in the market amongst buyers and sellers. The third candle should be bullish, to act as a confirmation that the buyers have taken control and will soon drive price up. The evening star pattern is, on the flip side, a bearish reversal pattern, typically occurring at the end of an uptrend. This should signal to you that there's an upcoming change in the direction of price movement downwards. For the evening star pattern, the first candle should be bullish to reflect the current sentiment in an uptrend. The second candle will similarly have a small body, or even be a doji, reflecting indecision in the market. The third candle should be bearish, to confirm for us that the sellers have overwhelmed the buyers and will soon drive price down. Let's have a look at an example of the evening star setup. As you can see, the price has been steadily rising in the past few trading sessions. However, at this point in time, we can see an evening star pattern forming that fulfills the above criteria required to identify it. Where can we expect the price to go from here? Knowing the evening star is a bearish reversal pattern would have told you that price was likely to fall after this setup appeared. In this case, we can see that the price indeed fell from 1.10815 to 1.07769 for a total of 304 pips. It's all for this video, and if this helped you understand better the topic, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one on 3 white soldiers and 3 black crows.